Hello everybody, it's Diana again, and if my face looks a little redder than normal, did a weird video. I was watching makeup on my face like lipsticks and stuff. Just ignore my madness. But anyways, so that is why that is that way. Today I wanted to share with you something I had shown you guys in some kind of a haul eons ago, probably in the summer. In fact, I'm sure it was in the summer. This is something I got from a store in Minnesota called the Hobby Shop, and it is located in, it's technically Little Canada, but it might be St. Paul. It's like right on that border. But anyway, so it is a bath scrub lab. I think it's by Science Academy and or it could be also Mindware toy. And it's basically a lab where it includes lab tools and everything you need to make bath scrub and fizzy bath salts. So shows a lot of shit that comes in here. There's a couple happy kids making this stuff. Says it's for ages 8 and up. Now my original intention when I bought this, and even whatever, is I had decided I was going to like make these with you guys and show you, but I'm not Graveyard Girl. That is not me. And I just got bored one day and I really wanted to make it. So I'm going to show you what I made. I'm going to show you the stuff that comes in here. My stuff is already made so that I can use the bath salts that I made. So you open it up and it comes with, oh for fuck's sake, a little guidebook. So this was super easy to follow. So if you can find these anywhere, really fun for little kids or for yourself if you're a little kid at heart and just want something to do on a snowy day, which is what I used it for. It talks about safety, patch testing, which is really smart. I haven't tested any of this stuff. What's in the kit, what Bath Scrub Lab is, and then how to do different things. So it shows you how to make a layered salt scrub step by step, and then how to use it, making the fizzy bath salts, a little warning, should not store fizzy bath salts in airtight containers because pressure buildup may lead to injury, which I did not. And then what sodium bicarbonate and citric acid are good for because they're included in the kit to make the fizzy bath salts, fraction and color spectrum if you care about that, and then making rainbow bath salts, and then how to use and enjoy, and a couple little things in here if you wanted to gift what you made. So some of the stuff that comes in here is a cute little spoon that you use. So it comes with 2 bottles of sea salts. Sea salt. And you use the blue spoon to scoop out the sea salt. Very exciting. You use the 2 little white spoons for the sodium bicarbonate and the citric acid. You have 3 little measuring cups that you can measure your different colored things in when you're making them. It comes with a little pipette that is not in the instructions for anything. But yeah, get a little pipette. And then it also comes with a little bottle of baby oil, a little bottle of lavender fragrance oil, 3 things of coloring, so food color, so red food color, yellow color, and green color. So maybe these are not food safe. I don't know. I didn't read that hard into it. You get this little container, which I never used for anything and wasn't really in the instructions for anything. You get a bunch of sticks. I only used, I think, like 2 or 3 of the sticks. I have sticks left over. And then you get actually 4 little bags. I only needed to use 1 of them. A sheet of fun stickers, a little container for your bath scrub mixture. This was just another bag, and then the one for your bath salts. So I thought this was really fun. It probably took me a half hour to do everything. I ended up making 2 fizzy ones. They've kind of hardened together now. You can hear that like crunching apart. And this one started like foaming when I was mixing it. I also put a lot more food coloring in that they told me I should. But I've got a green fizzy one and a red fizzy one that I made. These are just the regular colored bath salts. And again, I put more food coloring in than it called for, but I like beautiful colors. And then this is like the scrub. These are not really, they're really chunky, big bath salts. I don't know how well this would work as a scrub. This is the thing you put all the baby oil in. I didn't say to put it all, but I did because I was like, fuck it, we're gonna use all the baby oil. And then I put lavender scent in everything. I'll probably just use these as like bath salts. But I thought it was fun. It was entertaining. I got to make a few little goodies for myself. I am left, of course, with a few extra bags. I'll probably just throw away 2 empty bottles of bath salts that'll get recycled. May or may not keep these things for like art projects for the kids. Used up all the baby oil, so there you go. I do have like half the bottle of the lavender fragrance left. I think I'll probably keep this and either like put it in my drains to keep them pretty smelling or put them in my, what is it, air mister thing. Use it for that. May or may not keep the spoons. Probably just throw them away. I don't think I need them for anything. I think these are kind of fun. I'll keep those for an art project. I'll definitely keep the food coloring to use in some kind of art project, watercolor thing or something. Now it's interesting because I don't know, like they give so much of the sodium bicarbonate and the citric acid. Like you only needed like I think 2 scoops of this one and 1 tiny little white scoop of this one in each of these, and that was it. That's the only stuff that used it. I'm like, why do they give you so much? Then I was looking in here and I'm like, okay, well, what are they good for? I don't know. Citric acid I might be able to use as a cleaning product. I'll have to look these up. Otherwise, I'll probably just throw them out because I don't really know what they're good for. Overall, I think for little kids, this would be really fun because, especially if they are older, or if you could do it with them. I just think it was really, really fun, and I love bath salts and scrubs, so I thought this would be fun for me too. Yeah, I mean, I feel like you get a decent amount of product for what you get, and it's not something gross like some of the lab things where like you have to eat like, I don't know, gummy boogers or something. Like, I don't want to be any part of that. And I've gotten those things for my 5-year-old son and he loved them, but I don't want that. But I thought this was really easy, really fun, something to do. I still don't know why they give you so much of the 2 things or even so much food coloring, because I used a lot of food coloring and there is still like way more than half of each bottle left over, and they're like 1 or 2 drops, and I probably put like 6 drops in each different color of thing I did. So I'm breaking the rules, okay? I just do what I want, but I don't know, it was fun. I would highly recommend this. I'm sure Science Academy, Mindwear, whatever, you can find their stuff. I'm sure they have more. I know they have more than just the bath scrub lab. I don't think it says if there's anything else in there. I don't know. Yeah. I don't know. You could look online, Google it. You're all smart people. But yeah, if you are at Hub Hobby, they have other stuff like this. There's a lot of places, no longer Toys R Us, but a lot of places that are like smaller, toy-ish stores. This place also has a lot of collectibles and Hub Hobby, and they also have like you can make your own cars and Gundams and rockets and shit like that. So any kind of like hobby center might have something like this, like these sciencey kits that are really fun, and I think it's really good for ourselves and for children to like learn and have fun and enjoy what we're making that we're going to use, if that makes sense. Was that random? I don't know. So anyways, I hope you like this video. Please comment, subscribe, hit like. I'll let you know how I like those once I've used them up in an empties video. I'm sure they'll be great. I love colors and lavender, so I'm excited. And yeah, it was just a fun adventure, and I thought I'd enjoy and share it with you guys. All right, have a good day. Bye.